I'm Tommy Williams, president of Justified Performance. We're a hot rod shop building custom cars from the ground up. Our manufacturing and fabrication facility allows us to engineer and develop our own products while manufacturing metal goods for a variety of different industries. I believe in manufacturing in the United States, and that's exactly what we do right here in Roseville, California. If you like watching videos about manufacturing and building hot rods, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, click the link below to check out more videos of Justified Performance.